Shan, are you ready for workshop? Yes. Okay. Let me help you. Hello friends.
Hi Ayana and Ishaan. Hi friends. So today we are going to tell you about the favorite workshop, that is HomeDepot Kids Workshop, which Ayana has been attending since she was 3 years old. Oh my god. And Ishaan also just started. This workshop happens first Saturday of each month and these are absolutely free. Oh wow. There they give a wooden kit. Anna, show us.
This one.
Yeah. And the
This
pen.
one,
Okay.
These pins.
Pens.
And the certificate.
Yeah. And the apron
Yeah.
we are wearing. Okay. And you can tuck the pins once you complete your workshop. Oh my god, so many pins.
I don't have room to put anything.
You have so many.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the interesting part is each month there is unique project kit. Like we have the vanity box, there's heart project, and this is locker one. Good. Actually, before this pandemic, that is COVID-19, we used to go to store to attend the workshop, but unfortunately now these workshops are suspended due to this COVID-19. But that's so sweet of Home Depot store that they're still providing the project kits to parents each month. Wow. So that children can make these at home. So friends, let's get started. Ayana, which one you want to make today?
I want to make a vanity box.
Vanity one?
Yeah.
Good choice. Okay, let's make it. Okay, open that. Baby will make locker. Okay, you want to make locker? Okay, no problem.
You need hammer and instructions to start. Now this is done. I'm going to paint like this, and then I'm going to stick the mirror and then the stickers.
Okay, you have the stickers and mirror?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh wow,
Let's forward.
that's very lovely gift.
project. We got certificate and pins.
Yeah. So you guys had fun?
Yeah.
Okay. So friends, you can also register for these workshops. They are very cool. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.